What is this? Got the view of the city. Just getting my husband in line over here. Look what we did. Yeah, in comparison to you.
What did I say?
Oh, you don't remember what you just said?
No, I don't.
You just said, oh, you changed your mind too. Meaning you're comparing yourself to me too. So you started it. Then you gonna say, oh, no comparison.
Okay, all right.
Freaking low down and dirty.
I'll hold that.
Anyways, y'all, just getting my husband in line over here. You know, gotta get him straightened out sometimes. But we're at Whole Foods now. And look at their little sign. Spice up fall. Alright, y'all. Oh, you can't push the cart for me?
Oh, yeah, I guess. All right.
These. Sorry. That's right, baby. Oh, yes, please. I wish I can get one of these dressings, but literally all of them have a lot of like sugar, like processed stuff in them. I think I bought this one before, the tahini one. This is the Kava brand, but this one doesn't have any added sugars, but honestly it doesn't taste very good. So I wasn't a huge fan of it. Oh, this is a yogurt dill. This one also doesn't have any added sugar. I might actually try this one. Yeah, it has 2 grams of protein, no added sugar. This one actually may be good. Full fat yogurt here. And vanilla extract. I like to put this in my French toast. Mushroom soup today. Hubby's favorite.
Never had this.
Yeah, they'll have like the clam chowder, but they don't really often have the mushroom, so I think I'm good. I'm not gonna get any. Alright, y'all, we're in Target now, and we want to update our current fall reef. So we're seeing what options we have here. There's this reef down here. I don't like that one. There's this one up here. They also have like the pillows, all of that, baskets. This is cute. The one we have now, I actually really like it. If it wasn't all messed up, I wouldn't mind just keeping it, but I also got the little pumpkins. These are like their bigger reefs here. Are you seeing anything you like? Excuse me.
That would be the one. If I had to choose out all the reefs, right, the top one.
Yeah. I like this. That one, it's just like, it's just shedding. Like, all this stuff down there.
I do like that.
Yeah, like sheds.
Yeah.
That's annoying, because then when we have to store it,
Right.
it's just going to be shedding everywhere.
You think Etsy would help you?
Oh, yeah. I can look on Etsy.
They don't have exclusive drinks.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll check out Etsy. Oh, look at this. Here. This is more like kitchen, but they also have a reef over here. This is huge.
Pretty big.
Sheesh. Yeah, like how we have this, like the vase we have at home is clear, but it's not quite like this, but yeah. Y'all, look what we did. 300 subbies. Thank y'all so much. I really appreciate all y'all support. And honestly, I'm just having fun with it. I'm doing what I love to do, which is make these vlogs for y'all, make fashion content. And I really appreciate y'all for showing your support and subscribing, for watching, tuning in. It really means a lot. So we are back home now. I'm about to make myself a salad. So I have these chicken meatballs that I've told you guys before in a previous vlog. There we go. These are so good. So I'm gonna make these. I have some other things that I'm gonna put in my salad, arugula, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, we're gonna watch Love is Blind. The new season is out. So we're gonna see what foolishness they got going on this season. We watched a little bit of the first episode last night, and I don't know. I think it's too early to have any real impressions so far. But if y'all are watching it, let me know what you think about it. I don't know.
Well, it's getting fun, man. Dude, we're in it. I'm actually like really grateful to be here.
That's what I'm saying. Thank you. Dude, I'm grateful to be here.
First is an opportunity that's your name.
I'm Brittany. What's your name?
I'm Leo.
Leo? Catherine? Ooh, I love one of us has to have a brain.
Oh my god.
Wait, my dating history is...
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with Saint.
Alright, y'all, we got Sunday brunch. We have some almond flour pancakes, bacon, couple eggs, and I just fried some green tomatoes. And one for me, one for hubby. So wreath shopping continues online. I'm currently looking at different wreaths on Etsy. And y'all, like, they are not cheap. Like, this one is really pretty. Yeah, it's like a really pretty wreath, but $169 for this is kind of crazy. Like, my husband is not gonna pay that money for something like this. But let me show you guys some of the other ones I like. I really like this one. This one is $88, which is still a little bit high. But look at this. Isn't this nice? I like this one. This one is like more traditional. This one is 80. Hold on. Yeah, this one is 80. This is like berries with eucalyptus on it. These ones are very simple. These are 70. But, you know, price point is the lowest. Here it is with on a door. It's okay. So I'm gonna show some of these to hubby so he can pick out which one he is willing to get. But yeah, they're really cute. This one is nice. This one is 100. I'm trying to think. I'm like, how much did we pay for the one we have now? Like, this one's kind of cute. There's that one. Decisions. Oh, the food was so good. But I'm still a little bit hungry after eating. So, y'all, I'm going into like ketosis because I haven't had like any sugar, like real substantial amounts of sugar in a few days. So I'm definitely going into ketosis. I have a headache. That's a good thing because that means I'm starting to burn fat instead of relying on sugar or carbohydrates as my fuel source. It just means my body is transitioning into burning fat instead of that. So that's a good thing. That's what we want. So I just gotta like stick it out, take some headache medication until it goes away. But it's a pretty uncomfortable process. Oh, wait a second, is this real? Y'all, this one is only $18. Hold on, look at this one. This one is 18. I'm like, is it a bigger one or? It's not bad. Okay, they have a small and the medium is like 26, 55. Yeah, this one is okay. It's probably small though. I don't know. Oh gosh. Yeah, I hate this feeling. I finally had the tea. My friend gave it to me yesterday. Y'all, it was worth the wait. The tea is so good. It's one of those teas where you have to blend it over the stove and like whisk it and make it all. It's so good. It's so rich in like flavor and the spices really come out. I'm like, this is real chai. Like I have not been having chai tea my entire life. This is what chai tea is supposed to taste like. It's like a spice blend. Hopefully y'all are enjoying Vlogtober. Let me know what y'all are doing for fall. Are y'all going apple picking? Are you traveling, hiking, camping? I want to try doing some hiking this fall, but I don't know where. If you live in Philly and you know of any like good trails to hike this time of year, I definitely would love to know. Let me know down below. Good morning. So I'm about to hop into a call with one of my clients. I don't know why, but my Wi-Fi has definitely been acting weird. But yeah, our call is at 10. It is 9:53, so I'm sending her over our meeting link. And I ran and grabbed some coffee real quick before the meeting. I haven't been upstairs. What the heck? What is this? Bruh. We used to have free wireless up here. Why do we have to pay for Wi-Fi up here now? No, they did not. They are so cheap. Right. So their work essentially like defines them.
Yeah, that's so true.
Yeah, like if they lose their job, they lose their identity. All right, y'all. So we are headed to a co-working space right now. That my friend invited me to. She's a member there, but I'm not, so I'm gonna have to get signed in. Let me text her. Yeah, so I'm downtown now, and I'm like a 4-minute walk from there. So yeah, no, another co-working space I've never been to. So we'll see.
Space too, and then there's also like a reading room area as well. I can give you a tour later if you want.
Oh yes, please. I mean, unless you got stuff going on, don't let me stop you.
I do have like everything.
Yeah,
but
let me stop
like,
you.
no.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I don't want you to get stressed out, and also,
Yeah.
if you ever want to join a co-working space, it's been pretty good. Like, just having a regular like floating membership. Working out here, I've never had an issue. Some people take calls up here. I wouldn't do that personally. They do have like
You have
privacy
to
booths.
reserve, yeah.
You don't have to reserve the privacy booths. The only thing you have to reserve is conference rooms if you want to use them. But that's never really been an issue.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been nice. People are lovely. Sometimes there's food out. They do like after hours events too. Like I've done Quizzo here twice with my coworkers.
That's cute.
Yes. That was another thing we did. It was like they had a drag queen and we did like figure drawings. It was wild. I was like, did not think I'd be doing so nice.
This is like big.
Yeah, we really like the space.
Wow, the space is so nice. They have an upstairs. Bathrooms over here. This is like the main area. Look at this cute little like centerpiece. This is so cute. On that side, I don't know if he was on a balcony, but oh wow. Look at this, y'all. This is the 20th floor too. Got the view of the city.